Best ceiling mounts. Projector ceiling mounts are essential tools for creating a professional and clutter-free home theater or office presentation setup. They ensure optimal viewing angles, secure installation, and can even improve cable management, with a wide range of options available on the market. List number: Vivo Universal Adjustable Ceiling. The Vivo Universal Adjustable Ceiling Projector Mount offers excellent versatility and robust build quality at an affordable price of $19.99. Made of high-grade steel, it supports projectors up to 30 pounds, making it suitable for both mini and regular-size models. Its adjustable tilt, plus-minus 15 degrees, swivel, plus-minus 15 degrees, and 360-degree rotation allow users to achieve the perfect viewing angle. The low-profile design holds the projector just 6 inches from the ceiling, and the white powder-coated finish blends seamlessly into most environments. However, compatibility is limited for certain projector models, and users must ensure their projector fits the mounting hole requirements. In terms of performance, the Vivo Mount VP01W is a reliable choice for those seeking a sturdy, easy-to-install solution. The quick-release hooks simplify installation and removal, while the included hardware ensures a hassle-free setup. While the mount excels in stability and adjustability, its lack of compatibility with some popular projector models like Epson LS1100 and LG HU915QE may be a concern for certain users. List number 2. Mini Ceiling Wall Projector Mount Stand. The Fiat Mini Ceiling Wall Projector Mount is the most budget-friendly option in this comparison, priced at just $7.59. Designed for mini projectors, it features universal compatibility with multiple brands like QKK, DRJ, and Vankyo. The mount includes 3 screw adapters of varying sizes and supports a maximum weight of 5 kilograms. It offers a 90-degree tilt and 360-degree rotation, allowing for flexible positioning. Installation is straightforward thanks to its simple design and included accessories. However, its lightweight construction may not provide the durability required for long-term use. For casual users or those on a tight budget, the Fiat mount is a great entry-level choice. It excels in simplicity and ease of use, making it suitable for lightweight mini projectors. However, the mount's limited load capacity and lack of premium features like cable management or height adjustment may not cater to users with more demanding requirements. Additionally, its plastic build feels less robust compared to higher-end models, which may impact stability over time. List number: Vivo Universal Extending Ceiling Projector Mount. The Vivo Universal Extending Ceiling Projector Mount is a mid-range option priced at $24.99, offering height adjustability from 15 to 23 inches. Like its sibling model, it supports projectors up to 30 pounds and features universal mounting compatibility with adjustable tilt, plus or minus 15 degrees, swivel, plus or minus 15 degrees, and 360 degrees rotation. The telescoping arm makes it ideal for users seeking greater flexibility in projector placement, while the high-grade steel construction ensures durability. However, compatibility issues with certain projector models remain a drawback. This mount stands out for its telescoping height adjustment, which is particularly useful for larger spaces or unconventional setups. The quick-release hooks simplify installation, and the sturdy build provides reliable support for heavier projectors. While the mount's adjustability and robust design are commendable, its higher price point compared to the Mount VP01W may deter budget-conscious buyers. Compatibility limitations are also worth noting, as some popular models like Epson 3800 and Mitsubishi XL25U are not supported. List number: Full Motion Universal Ceiling Projector Mount Bracket with Adjustable Height. The Dino Vista Full Motion Universal Ceiling Projector Mount, priced at $39.99, is a premium option designed for maximum flexibility and strength. It supports projectors up to 30 pounds and features adjustable tilt, plus or minus 25 degrees swivel, 90 degrees, and 360 degrees rotation. The mount includes an extendable arm that collapses to 23 inches and extends up to 43.6 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of setups. Its heavy-duty steel construction ensures stability and durability, while the pre-assembled design simplifies installation. This mount is ideal for users with larger spaces, or those requiring precise projector placement. The extendable arm provides unmatched flexibility, and the robust build ensures long-term reliability. However, the high price point may not appeal to budget-conscious buyers, and the mount's larger size may be excessive for compact spaces. Additionally, while the installation process is straightforward, users must tighten all screws carefully to prevent shaking during use. List 5. Peterson Adjustable Projector Ceiling Mount. The Peterson Adjustable Projector Ceiling Mount, priced at $39.99, offers a unique design with a metal tray for versatile applications. In addition to projectors, it can hold laptops, cameras, and other electronic devices, supporting up to 22 pounds. The mount features height adjustability, 14.17 to 21.65 inches, and integrated cable management for a cleaner setup. Installation is straightforward, and the mount can be used on both ceilings and walls, adding to its versatility. This mount is an excellent choice for users seeking a multi-purpose solution. The hidden cable routing enhances aesthetics, while the sturdy tray provides secure support for various devices. However, the lower weight capacity compared to other premium models may limit its use with heavier projectors. Additionally, the mount's higher price and larger footprint may not suit users with simpler needs.